In this video, we'll learn how to create a CMS-1500 claim in PinkyBill. Go to the Patients tab. Select the desired patient. Click on the Visits tab. Open the relevant visit. Click Add Claim. Fill out the claim form. Once the CMS-1500 claim form opens, visit details are auto-filled. In the Diagnosis Codes section, search ICDs by code or description and select. Fill in the extra information. In the Procedure section, select pre-created template or enter CPT codes manually. Optionally add modifiers, NDC, quantity, units, and charges. Click Save Claim to continue. To upload a document, either click directly on No Documents Attached, or scroll down to Claim Documents section and click the Upload Claim Document button. You must either upload a document manually or select from existing documents in the system. Choose File Type, and then click Attach. Once done, the document will be listed under Claim Documents. We have created the claim successfully.
PinkyBill.